Welcome back to the channel. Every week on this channel, we try to put a spotlight on all things Puerto Rico real estate and things that are happening island-wide. Often we're going to show you stuff that we're doing. Sometimes we're showing you stuff from our partners and our friends. Another video in the series on our Opportunity Zone funds, and this will be the last video for that series about the properties that we've got. So this property is in Boqueron, Puerto Rico, which is southwest Puerto Rico. It's very near to a property that we've also done a video recently on the Bahia Salinas. But this particular property is an active running hotel play with a couple of swimming pools, 35 total rooms. 25 of them are in a hotel, like hotel rooms, and 10 of them are condominiums. This property sits up atop the hill and has some land that's like a valley that goes down towards the ocean. You can see why we think this place is so special and why we're so excited about it. What we like about this property is that it's running, right? So there's some immediate cash flow coming in, and so that's always nice when you're doing a development fund, mostly, right? To have something that throws off a piece of cash flow or nice cash flow on a portion of the investment, well, that's worth having inside of the fund. We do expect to develop the valley, and the plan there is to try and do something maybe off-grid that self-sustains and possibly even could feed back power into the main two buildings if a storm came and took the lights out. If you want to see something that we could do, we've talked about a partnership with these guys, and we've done another video on it. It's the Z-Spheres guys, and we'll attach that below. Kind of think off-grid tourism concept, and we're come up with the design as we move forward. So we're under contract on this property now. We expect to close in April, late April probably for this one. The place, it's operational. It's great. It's not in bad shape. It doesn't need a massive renovation. It still qualifies for Opportunity Zone Fund. It still qualifies for Act 60 tourism. You've heard me talk about why I think coupling those things is so important and how it's going to help create generational wealth. And this one is no different than anything else that we've got in our fund. We believe that this stands on its own. It was and is a great investment outside of anything, outside of the fund, outside of tourism. It's just a really nice property in a great setting, and so you can see that as we talk about it. So don't forget to like and comment on the video, and if you're interested in our Opportunity Zone Fund and you want to reach out to us, our contact information is below. We'd love to get you some further information about our fund and the structure, and we look forward to setting up a time to talk with you. If you're interested in participating with us and investing in our Opportunity Zone Fund, please reach out to us at our email address, prconsultant77@gmail.com. We hope to talk to you soon. If you haven't already and you haven't seen the other videos on the Opportunity Zone stuff, so we've got a few other videos that are out there. You can click on those below as well. And we hope to talk to you soon. Thanks for watching the video, and God bless.